Okay guys, we gotta try to do this in one take because we can't put together the videos right now. So I wanted to share with you what we got at from a farmer. And this was the milk that I thought I was going to freeze, and we got it on the 1st. Today's the 3rd of November, and that's how much we got left because I've made cocoa and we have been into it. And that is the raw milk. Here is the cheese we got off of the farmer and the butter. So we've already tried the yellow cheese, and as you can see, that's how much it's gone. So the cheese is good. We have not tried the butter because I put it in the freezer because I didn't need it quite yet. So I got it out, but it's going to go back in the freezer till we use up what we got in there. So what I want to do today is I wanted to show you guys the difference in the eggs when you get them straight from the farmer, that they are free range chickens, and the yolk is a more of an orangish yellow. So just to go ahead and keep going there, I got to put this milk away because that is raw milk. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to start first with what we got from the farmer that I already know is a nice orangish yellow. This we've gotten from the market, and it says from pure grain-fed chickens, no medication, free running, whatever on earth that means. They're still the regular looking egg. And this is from a Mennonite store, and it just looks like a plain regular looking egg. It doesn't have that golden color. So we will start. Hopefully I won't break the yolk like I normally do. Now there is what I consider, maybe I can get the light on here. Trying to get the light up high enough. So there's the really orangish, and when you do this test yourself, you will see for yourself.
You're taking the same egg out.
Oh, well, can't do that. Thank you. It's morning. This is from the market. I need help with LP in the morning because my mind is not going very well. Even with the coffee. This came from the Mennonite. That's the store. See the difference in the two? This is the Mennonite. And there you go, guys. Now, a few little added notes that I would like to say in this video. High blood pressure is so easily controlled if people just knew what they needed to do. First of all, you need to go with one ingredient food. We no longer eat bread, only on occasion. We use the potatoes. Baked potatoes, we put our eggs on the potatoes. That's our bread. One item. It doesn't have a lot of other garbage mixed in. GMO, you name it. So over here is the fresh garlic. We eat fresh garlic every day. The key thing is you want to go with a good quality sea salt. I'm not going to promote any. You do your own research. You know, actually I am. I use real salt. And it has like 90 plus minerals. With people with high blood pressure, they lack minerals. So you have to get off of table salt. You have to get off of all this processed garbage and go with one ingredient food. For instance, here's an example. One ingredient food. You want to make sure stay away from margarine, all that garbage. We use organic coconut oil, and we use regular butter. We do not use margarine. That is bad news. So the key is hydration. So if you don't take in enough water, to encourage more water intake in between meals, preferably, you take some sea salt, dump it in the palm of your hand, lick it, drink a glass of water. It'll encourage you to drink more water. High blood pressure is due to dehydration, all this garbage food that we're getting, synthetic food, which is worthless. And I will write in the notes, you got to have the fresh garlic if you want to get off of all this garbage prescription drugs. Okay, guys, that's it. Hey guys, I got to share this with you. I started another video and I rambled too much, so I want to try to make this a little shorter. Right here, I want to zero in on that beautiful orange yellow that is the real deal egg. with the high omega-3. This is straight from a farmer. Then you've got the pale eggs. And there's one from the market. There's one from an Amish store. Doesn't matter which one those two are, because they're both, in my book, pale, pale, pale. But I just wanted you to see the real deal there. If you can get the farm fresh eggs straight from a farmer, then you know what you're getting.